Hello, welcome to the sale of this Nissan X-Trail. This is an Acenta 2-litre DCI 4x4 in a pearlescent white. It's done 33,000 miles. It's got service history. It's just been serviced as well. And yeah, it's in really nice condition. It's got the privacy glass at the back. Air conditioning. There's a four-wheel drive control there, runs in two-wheel drive, but you can select it into auto or four-wheel drive lock. There's a hill descent there. So it's got cruise control. Operate on the steering wheel. Your radio's your control on there. Steering wheel. It's actually done 34,000 miles. Just turned 34,000 miles. Height adjust on the seat, you can lift the seat up and down. Got good tyres all round, drives very well, very economical for a four-wheel drive vehicle. This is available at Cross Country 4x4. We can help with financing with this vehicle. We will look at your part exchange and try and help with that. And yeah, you're welcome to come and have a look, test drive. We're on, give us a ring, we're on 01380 818 311. Thank you very much.